Hi, my name is Bernard Ngaira from Gaga Tours. I'm the operation manager.
My name is Leonard Opotsa from Gaga Tours.
Hi, my name is Justus Arisi, CEO and founder of this beautiful safari experience. This is Gaga Tours, and we're welcoming you to Kenya to get to enjoy the best of the Maasai Mara and other areas in Kenya that you would like to visit.
My responsibility is to make sure that you experience the best.
Welcome you to Kenya to experience the Maasai culture, how the Maasai had their cattle, and you get to experience the African barbecue and everything that the Maasai culture has to offer. So I welcome you to Kenya.
Some of the things that you get to experience here will be things like the beadworks that the Maasais are best known at.
So this is a 3 days, 2 nights safari adventure to the Maasai Mara, but it will be featuring on the cultural activities such as what the Maasai people love doing, the dancing, the Maasai music. You get to know the Maasai cuisine, what they eat and how they do it.
The Maasai are great on making beautiful beads, the wristbands, the necklaces and earrings. Traditionally, we welcome you to come enjoy your vacations and experience the Maasai music, dancing, jumping and everything. You'll also get to experience the game drives.
We're welcoming you to Kenya and experience the best. And I'll try to explain a little bit of how your safari package will look like. And from the 3 days, you'll get to have our best experienced tour guides, our best driver who will be on a 4x4 Jeep safari. Any of the visitors that wishes to see the culture that has been seen online for most of the times. So it is a beautiful time to come and experience, and our animals also, you will get to have beautiful game drives whereby you will be taken by our driver and guide to get to know how the Maasai people really live in harmony with animals and nature. So part of what we also do is support conservation and supporting the communities around our national parks. So Kenya is a beautiful country and it has a lot to offer. So karibu Kenya.